Good morning, everybody. We are here. Pretty sure today's Thursday morning, right? 80 degrees and sunny outside. My gosh, what a nice day. We've got Nick F. first in the chat, baby. What's going on, Nick F? Let's get started. Good morning to you, Dark Matter, Nick F, Moji, Juana's older sister. Dark Matter, Sam to Man, Dark Matter, Moji, Sam to Man, PS5, Moji, Dark Matter, Sam to Man, PS5, Moji, DD214, Dark Matter, Sam to Man. What's going on, everybody? Let's see what the market has in store for us today, because we've got some gains across the board. AMC sitting at 17.56 right now, up 4 cents on the day, 0.20%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.70 right now, down 1.89%. GameStop sitting down 4.57% right now, $151.50. Bitcoin down 2.63% at the moment. The Nasdaq doing pretty well, sitting 0.30% higher right now, 11,930 points. GameStop down. Bior Therapeutics up 3.5%. AMC up 0.30%. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all down at the moment, coming back off of these channel highs that they hit yesterday. We can see that here on the daily for Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke out of this little channel that we were in, and it is on its way back down into that range. So we're going to have to see if Bitcoin does come back down below 21.6, currently sitting at 22.6. Sundial down 5% on the day, pulling back off some of these more recent highs, sitting at 33.5 cents. Mullen Auto, barcoding at $1.08. CEI, 41.5 cents. SPY sitting at 395.22 right now, up 0.11% on the day. BBIG showing some action, breaking out of that barcode, sitting at $1.13 at the moment. Highcroft Mining, $1.05, up 2.5%. Netflix sitting at $216.35, basically break even on the day. Redbox is sitting at $366 at the moment right now, 4.69% lower. Clovis, $1.96. Boxed, $2.08. Revlon sitting at $5.57, up 2.5%. Luna Classic back down to 10,000 points per coin, and the QQQ sitting at 304.32 at the moment, trying to break some intraday highs here, bouncing off this little level of resistance that it tapped this morning. Tapped it again this still morning, almost afternoon, and throwing some green lines, might reattempt to break up through 304. Getting a little trouble in that area because it is the lower end of this channel right here. So we're going to have some higher resistance at this 310, 311 area, but we do have some in this 303, 304 area for the bottom end of these candles that we hit back here at the end of May, beginning of June. Let's watch Bitcoin for right now, so we can get an idea of what the cryptocurrency market is doing if you guys would like. Hi, bro. At least your mic is on. Chevy Silver Raider. Yes, the mic is on, man. PS5 Future Gaming doing good. Hope you're doing good as well. Heck yeah. Hey, Clay, how are we rich yet? Giz, we are on our way to being rich, man. Smash the anti-ad button right away. Moji, best thing you can do, man. First, Simon Eno, first in the chat. Clay, spicy gummy was different. Simon, I'm probably okay. I'll try to go to the PO box in between the live streams. God, does that mean I have to do it? Does that mean I have to do it in this afternoon? I can already feel it, man. I can already feel it. Does that mean I gotta do it this afternoon? FIRST. Ooh, Pudgy's stealing one out of Simon's playbook. Back from work, time for Clay. Boom. Hey to all. What's going on, STSY? Flipro, don't ignore me. Never, Sam to Man. Never ignore anybody. Congus, any thoughts on when Tesla buys the Bitcoin back? Congus, I have no thoughts on when they buy the Bitcoin back, actually. They could do it as early as this quarter. They could wait and see what happens. And I don't know when they sold it either. They may have sold up here. They may have sold up here. I don't know exactly when they got rid of that Bitcoin. But look, it was a good move for them if they got rid of it anywhere in the 30s. I mean, think about that. Anywhere during this second quarter would have been a great time to get rid of it because you're sitting down here at a much lower level right now. They could have saved 50 to 60%. A little less than 50 to 20% on their money there if they would have gotten rid of it in this area right in here. But when they buy it, I don't know. I mean, you guys know I'm still a little bit negative or a little bit bearish on crypto. So if they buy it anytime soon, it's still a little bit of a risky play, I'd say. Ready to have wealth. These younger cats talk more than they work like it's their first job. Chris, it might be their first job, man. These younger cats. Dude, isn't Chris like 26, man? This dude's talking about younger cats. Hey, bro, you have good news about Shib. Ali. So yeah, we do have a couple good things to talk about Shiba Inu coin out there. The metaverse is obviously one of the most recent developments with the contracting of the third floor graphic design studio. So that's very cool. Apparently, it's a very well known. I don't know them. I don't know too many studios, but a very well known studio that's done work with Disney, Amazon, Apple, blah blah blah. They got a very nice resume, and they're going to be working and building the Shiba Inu coin metaverse. Also, news out there that you may or may not have seen. Satoshi has something interesting going on with Vietnam. Yes, you heard that right. Satoshi has something going on with Vietnam right now. And I don't know what that is going to be. I'm starting to think that he might be... starting to think that he might be getting a little restaurant, little Vietnamese restaurant in Vietnam to sign up with Shiba Inu coin there. So we shall see how that goes. But he was out there tweeting this morning, wondering what the Vietnam Shiba Inu coin army was doing, making sure they're active, and he's got some news to release about that. So who knows, man? Could potentially be another restaurant deal. Yeah, nobody ever ignores anybody. Clibro, your take when Luna will break up with all this news about this and that. Now they say 0.01 before Shib. Thoughts? So PS5 future gaming, I do believe that Luna Classic can reach a cent before Shiba Inu coin reaches a cent. Why? It's just simply because there's 100 times less coins outstanding. 100 less coins. I mean, that doesn't matter. That'd be $1 difference in market cap. There's 100 times less coins for Luna Classic than there is for Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin, you got about that, 550 trillion, and it's almost 600 trillion, right? And then Luna Classic, you've got 6 trillion. So there's 100 times less than there is in Shiba Inu coin. So therefore, the equivalent would be Shiba Inu coin reaching 100th of a cent and Luna Classic reaching a cent. So I do think it's more. I think it's possible or more probable. Clear, do you think there's another huge bankruptcy coming in crypto? And if so, who do you think it might be? Yes, Brett, I do. So ZipMex this morning. I don't know if they announced it this morning or last night, but ZipMex is another cryptocurrency exchange, and it's a small one. Okay, it's a small one out of Singapore. Very similar to MEXC Global. They're the ones that did the burning on Luna Classic when it was really hyped up. And ZipMex, Singapore exchange, halting withdrawals. All over the crypto news this morning. And their CEO says everything's fine. They're just doing this because of their partners, and it's absolutely necessary at this point to halt withdrawals. So ZipMex looking very bad at this point of the game. Do I think a major exchange is right around the corner from it? Possibly. I really don't know. I think Coinbase could go down tomorrow, guys. I think Binance could go down tomorrow, and they're not going to tell you because they don't want you. If they told you they were going to go down, everybody would withdraw their crypto, supposedly, and they wouldn't have any money. They want your money. They want your money. Buy $65,000 worth of Shib and sell it at 0.0029, and after taxes and fees, you will make $1 million. Kenneth, heck yeah, man, heck yeah. Get that million. Tesla going to 800 today. Moji, what is Tesla at today? Oh, I don't even know what Tesla's at. T-S-L-A. Tesla. Tesla's going to $800 today. Tesla's sitting at $799.36 right now. Tesla's going to hit 800. I feel confident in that right now. I feel confident in that. So confident, I want to watch it hit 800. That's what I want to do. I want to watch Tesla hit 800. Right there. Oh, saw that. Scroll down. 65. No go. Outdoor Song says don't do 65, man. Come on. From what I've researched, Tesla bought in the low 30s and sold it at 28 and took a big loss. Congus, that is possible, man. That is possible. I didn't see what price they got in and got out at. Kenneth, loan me the 65. Moji, he's gonna, if he buys it on a centralized exchange, he's gonna loan it to Coinbase. There you go. Do we hit 800? Yes. We did hit 800. We hit 800 flat, and then it pulled back off that 800. So you guys can see right there, it tapped 800. We'll watch it go over, though. Barely tapped it. Let's zoom in a little better so you guys can see it. All right, hit 800 and then pulled right back. I want to watch it go over 800. What up, Joe? What's going on, AMC Trapper? Alone. Yes, I got you, man. Trapero Binance is what I meant. Brandon. Hey, bro, long time. Watch her first time responder. I had over 200,000 Luna on my Binance Smart Chain wallet, and it said I had 426,000 worth, but when I transferred it to MetaMask, it showed it $20. Brandon, here's my thought on what could have happened. So are you talking $426,000 worth or 426,000 tokens worth? And when you transfer it to MetaMask, it shows you get $20. I do know that you can see some glitches in Trust Wallet at times. Binance Smart Chain, I'm assuming that you're using the Trust Wallet there. And in the same way that like CoinMarketCap can be wrong on price sometimes, because of the exchange that's reporting the price to CoinMarketCap, the same deal can happen for Trust Wallet, and it can show you the wrong price. But when you actually go to transfer it, or when you go to trade it, or go to sell it out or whatever, it'll show you the correct price. So that could be why you had $20 instead of 426,000 or 426,000 tokens worth. Rug pull incoming, people. Boom! Crypto Racketeer, we hope not, man. Tesla running up to 801.80 right now. 801.50, 801.30, bouncing around there. But we did get the break of Tesla at 800. Very nice. We're going to have to see what happens there, but we don't need to sit here and watch it anymore. Broke out of this resistance level. That is good news. Could come all the way back up and test like 850, 860 before you run into major resistance again. So nice little run happening right there on Tesla, but we don't need to watch it on the big screen. We can pull this back right here. Crypto Racketeer says good at rug pull coming in on AMC. I hope not, my friends. I hope not. It tapped it on the nose. Rigged. Yeah, man. Rigged. Nah, it broke through. Now it's going. Hey, are we going to discuss the computer share DRS controversy? You're going to have to give me some grounds on it, man. I haven't seen anybody talking about it. Julia, what are they saying the controversy is? Yes, we can discuss it if you would like, but I haven't seen it. Let us know about this controversy. Oh, man, now I need to know. Meanwhile, while Julia's getting ready to explain that to us, QQQ sitting at an intraday high, $305 right here. We knew we'd break through it. 304, boom. 304, boom. 305, man. 305 and running. Could absolutely be breaking back up to this high right here. Does seem like it wants to come through the lower end of these candles and move on up to this 311. Scalped a put this morning for like, I don't know, 6% or something. But glad I got out of it because it's doing nothing but rolling higher. Thought it would bounce off this area and come back down. Did for a minute. Had a nice hour here for puts, but rolling into the afternoon right now. The market is invincible lately, guys. The market is invincible lately, and there's no reason why. If you guys haven't seen, I don't know how many of you guys follow the European Central Bank. They got some bad news about recessions, man. They got some bad news about recessions. They rose interest rates or increased interest rates by 50 basis points, I think, this morning. And that's the first rate increase that they've seen in 11 years. And they were expected to do 25 basis points, blew it out of the water with a 50 basis point increase, and the euro is back down to $1.02 right now. So the euro USD, I don't know if we've got this. Do we have this down here? Yeah. Euro USD back up to $1.02 this morning, almost $1.03 this morning, bouncing off parity. Remember, we put this line right here and said this could be a great time to buy because it's major support levels. Yeah, just that. If you guys went full in on margin on a lot of those Forex exchanges, you would already have doubled your money going from here to here. But nonetheless, the interest rate decision this morning causing some major moves there. But the European Central Bank also talking about a dark recession towards the end of the year. And if they're already warning you about it, Take the warning seriously, man. Take the warning seriously. If you're in the euro area, could get bad. Let's see. Tapped it on the nose, saw that on the NASDAQ, but not sure because Tesla breaking 800. I don't want a rug pull. No rug pull. No rug pull. I don't want a rug pull. Sell limit set at 35,000 for GME. Oh my God. Went from 214,000 to 3,500. On what broker? Are you talking you had a sell limit set for 426,000? Is that what you're saying? Or you had a sell limit for 214,000 and it dropped it down to 3,500? Is that what you're saying there? I know I'm missing something. Yeah, Brandon. So if it went from $426,000 worth to about $20 worth, I can guarantee that it's like some glitch, man. People see that all the time. Pika Power, the one that hangs out in here, she had like $2 million worth of baby Dogecoin or something, and I don't know where these price glitches come from, but they are real and they're there. Shiba Inu coin, guys, getting a nice little bounce. The NASDAQ bouncing nice. AMC bouncing nice. Bitcoin running up over the last, 10 minutes here. Things are looking very good for crypto at the moment, and very good for the overall market at the moment. Interesting strength that we've got right now. It's very confusing strength. 549 trillion still can't be there. It can't still be the circulating supply. Seems like the price would be even higher if they update it. Diamond. It is possible that 549 trillion is still the circulating supply. If you look at all of the burns that we've done, since Shiba Inu coin was running 7 months ago, we haven't even burned 1 trillion coins. I don't even know if we've burnt 100 billion coins yet. I don't even know if we've burnt, 10% of 1 trillion. 1 trillion is a lot. 549 trillion is a whole lot. And the best burn we've had is 30 billion. So I don't even think that we have burnt 100 billion tokens yet. So therefore, when you're still looking at the 549 trillion, in order for it to drop to 548 trillion, which is not a significant decline, we would have to burn like 4 months worth of our best month. And we haven't done that yet. So I do think it's possible that it's still at 549 trillion. I didn't. Others did. They were informed today that their sell limit cannot surpass 3,500. Interesting. Well, the good news is, though, look, I don't know why they won't just let the sell limit go that high. Like, I really don't understand that part. You should be able to put a sell limit on it, $500 billion if you want. It's just never going to trigger that sell limit. The good news is, like, if it starts to run up and get close to the 3,500, they can take the 3,500 off and either use a market order, or at that time they should be able to readjust. For some reason, some brokers and some exchanges and some programs have a cap. I don't know where they come up with the cap, whether it's a multiple of the current price or what the deal is. But yeah, some platforms do have those limits, and it doesn't really make sense to me that you would put a limit on there, because it's not going to tap it if the price doesn't go that high. The world financial market is so messed up. Everyone is always trying to balance stuff that really has no backing at all. Outdoor smile? It's crazy, isn't it? It's crazy, dude. I do agree. Will crypto be bullish if inflation gets super low by the end of the year, but still there's a war? Your amazing opinion. Yeah, I think that crypto is going to be a little bit more bullish on lower inflation numbers, but here's the thing that gets me with low inflation, right? If we get to the end of the year and inflation is at 0%, we're still paying elevated prices from what they should be. It's just the inflation rate is down. Unless we get deflation, unless we get negative inflation, we are never going to see prices what they were before. So if you're looking at chicken breasts at $3 a pound, and they're currently costing $5 a pound for chicken breast, if you go to the grocery store and ever expect to see $3 per pound, and it's not on sale, $3 per pound chicken breast again, you're going to have to see deflation, 20, 30, 40, 50%, because we've already inflated those prices. So even if we've got 0% inflation, it's good news in the sense that inflation is at 0%. It's bad news in the sense that you and I were never going to see those low prices again without a deflationary period. We're never going to see, and we're always going to need more money to keep up. So if you didn't get a 9% raise this year, you get a guaranteed pay cut. If you don't keep up, I get it. If next year inflation is at 0%. But unless you're continuing to increase, you're still hitting the same prices when you go to the store and try to catch up. So inflation low would be nice. I want to see deflation. Bro, I really don't know. Should I keep holding Luna Classic and Shiba Inu, or should I sell? Because there are so many news and videos about that says it's going up, and others that's saying it's a scam. Me, bro, I don't think that either one of them are a scam, right? I don't think that Shiba Inu is a scam. A lot of the ecosystem can be a little hard to understand at times, but Shiba Inu coin itself is not necessarily a scam. Maybe it started as one, but the contract was relinquished, and nobody can do anything to Shiba Inu coin at this point. It can drop in price, absolutely, but it's not like the guy that started it can go rug pull it. So that's good news there. Terra Luna Classic, as far as I know, they can't just come out and rug pull it and stop people from selling it or mint another 20 trillion if they want to mint another 20 trillion. I don't think that they can do that anymore, and therefore I don't think that it would be a scam. Luna Classic may have been a scam if Do Kwon knew what he was doing and was siphoning money off towards the end of the life of it. But as far as it being a scam, I don't think it's necessarily a scam. Both of them are risky. I mean, they're both definitely risky, but scam's a tough word. Clay, I want to ask why AMC is going up, but also feel why bother at this point. Yes, Chris, I feel the same as well, man. I do think that AMC, look, I mean, if we look at AMC right here, and if we look at the NASDAQ right here, we can see that both of them are performing very similarly, and I mean, if we didn't have the graph side by side, you really wouldn't be able to tell which one is which. Almost identical price patterns here. And I say almost because it's not, you got 3 reds here and no reds here. But following the overall market up right now. And it has been doing so. I don't know what it hourly looks like on both of these. Similar but not the same. And if you go out to the daily, you could see that both of them have had very good over the last 2 weeks. Both of them have performed very well over the last 2 weeks. So I do think that it has a lot to do with the overall market sentiment, increasing AMC and increasing the NASDAQ and SPY and so on. We have had some good news in AMC. AMC paid down, oh man, what was it? Wasn't it like $70 million worth of debt or something like that? They paid down and saved a lot of interest on some of their level, I don't know what it was, some of their like 10% debt or something that they had out there. So paying debt down is good news for AMC. That could potentially increase the price of it, but I think the majority of it is we're following the market right now. Market's doing excellent, AMC is doing excellent. So I would blame it on that if I had to blame it on something. Hey bro, good time to buy Luna Class, goodbye Luna 2.0. Manchester United, I don't care at all about Luna 2.0. I don't want anything that Do Kwon is touching. But as far as Luna Classic goes, man, we are at a major level of support right now. So I do think that it can bounce off, but I'm still short-term bearish, man. I know we've got some massive green lines. Like you're seeing Shiba Inu coin bounce back up to about 1,200 points per coin right now, and it looks like it's getting ready to retest 1,200 points per coin. People would have liked to have been in here for this gain right here and made like 3-4%, whatever this little gain is. But man, it's so tough for me to be bullish watching this chart right here and knowing that the overall crypto market is seeing exchange after exchange go bankrupt, exchange after exchange freezing withdrawals, European Central Bank, U.S. Federal Reserve talking about recessions and increasing interest rates. I still think it's dark times for risky assets, and that includes Shiba Inu coin, Luna Classic, all the stuff we talk about. So it looks like a great time to buy, but I'm still skeptical that, and I still think we've got some bad news ahead. Let's see. Let's go. Brandon has the C word. Yes, I did see that. Look, I hope that everybody that gets that is okay. But at this point in the game, I honestly think that everybody that does get it is okay. I mean, I don't know. I think that it's I don't know, probably played its course. We're not talking about Luna today. Yeah, man, we can talk about Luna today. Don't buy lunatics. It's a joke. Are you talking lunatics? The crypto is a joke. Is that what you're saying? The one that burns 2% and rewards 2%. Made 500% on Luna Classic and sold with no intention in ever reinvesting due to me believing it'll eventually die and the remaining movement is just a trap as many retailers as possible before it does. Chris, I mean, it's a possibility, right? I don't know if that's necessarily the intentions. I mean, I don't know if anybody's intending, if this group of lunatics out there is intending to rug pull each other. But you're right, man. If the community falls apart, the coin's going to fall apart. Brennan to say he has the C word. Yes, I did see. Well, I saw that this morning on the finance news. Yes, Julia. Well, maybe. You can say cancer in here. I'm pretty sure YouTube's not going to flag me for that. Coinbase might be safe. I honestly believe it's just FUD. Chris, look. At this point, yes. It could be FUD. Fear? I mean, it's legitimate fear, though. Okay? Uncertainty. Certainly, there's uncertainty about its future. And I doubt that Coinbase does file bankruptcy, but I doubt that they're thriving right now. Now, it's really going to be important. Why did they cause, if it's FUD, okay, they are the ones that caused it. In their earnings report, they stated and talked about the possibility of a bankruptcy, and if they do, they will be stealing your money, the same as all of these other cryptocurrency exchanges are doing right now. In the previous earnings report, they went from an expected net positive net earnings to a negative earnings per share, decrease in revenue, the negative profit, loss of active users, and I believe we are going to see the same thing in this earnings report, but I think it's going to be worse. The cryptocurrency market has not done better in the second quarter. It has actually done worse in the second quarter than it did during the first quarter. So I highly doubt that Coinbase is going to have a good second quarter earnings report. I believe it's going to be bad. How bad? I don't know. Are they going to file bankruptcy during their earnings report? I highly doubt that. But at this point in the game, guys, I mean, why not just buy your cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange and hold it off exchange? If you run the risk at all of them taking all of your money, how is that more important than the convenience of just letting it sit there? If you're going to let it sit there, let it sit somewhere else. I mean, that's the part I don't understand. What is a good platform to invest in crypto? Around Robinhood now. Not sure if it's the best. New to the whole crypto thing, investing world. Woogie966, man. Look, the best platform is going to be what you feel most comfortable with. If you feel most comfortable with Robinhood, I say go for Robinhood. If you feel most comfortable with Coinbase, I say go for Coinbase. None of them are guaranteed, and none of them are necessarily easily determined the best, worst, and so on. All of them could be facing financial trouble. All of them could end up filing bankruptcy. So it depends on what your goals are. At this point in the game, it may be a wise decision. I can't make it for you, right? And I can't even really make it for myself since my crypto is being held hostage. It may be a wise decision to at least look into a cold storage wallet like a Ledger or a decentralized exchange or decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet and MetaMask and so on. Just watch your Shiba video from a little bit ago. So is MetaMask safe, or do we need to buy a cold wallet? Some of us have been Delica's having Shiba and buying a cold wallet and may negate that. Yeah, Matthew, no joke, man. I get it. Not everybody wants to go out there and use a cold storage wallet. Look, I do believe that something like MetaMask is, at least at this point, more secure than something like a centralized exchange. And here's the pros and cons in my mind. If you're going to MetaMask, or if you're going to Trust Wallet, if you're going to Coinbase Wallet, or one of these decentralized wallets, what happens when the company that sponsors that app or is like in charge of that app goes under? If the app goes with it, it's going to be very difficult for you to still get your crypto. They just don't view that money that's held in their decentralized wallet as their money. If you're holding it on the centralized exchange, they're viewing that as their money. You lent that to them. They don't care if they lose it because they don't have to pay it back to you. So I believe that's the difference in their view on it. Now, whether or not the Trust Wallet's still going to be, I guess, supported by the App Store if Binance goes under is yet to be seen. So I would say yes, cold storage is probably the most secure, then decentralized, and then centralized. And I also have no word on Gemini. No. That was 2 days ago. Today, Thursday, 7/21, announced he has the C word. Yes. Hi, Julia. Do you have Insta? Thank you. LOL. I got it you now, Julia. After an hour. It just took an hour, man. It's all right. Luna and Shib buy and store and come back to it in 2 years. When the current administration is out and things get settled down, we are going to see a bull run and the country will return. Kenneth, man, I don't care what the reason is. I am ready for a bull run, my friend. Will you read my last one? Yes, Chris. I will read the last one if I can find it. Okay, then different question. Why is everything doing better if nothing has changed? Just people and not current events affecting the price. So, Chris, why is everything doing better if nothing has changed? This kind of goes into my thought of people being emotional and investors being emotional. People are getting antsy. Okay, now we've watched it bounce off this level of support a couple times, and people are starting to view it as cheap, even though they're simply looking at the price. The price looks cheap in the overall stock market. The price looked cheap in AMC, and they're buying based on a cheap price. Everything that drives the price down to begin with is still in play. None of that has been fixed. It's just, I mean, think about it, man. I know this is probably going to be a terrible example. But let's say, I don't know, gasoline. We determined that gasoline, whoever was selling us gas was putting 50-50 water in the gasoline, and it was ruining cars because you're going out there and cars are just just destroyed because people are putting water in gas tanks instead of gasoline in gas tanks. But all of a sudden, gas goes down to like 4 cents a gallon. Well, nobody fixed the water problem, but gas is so cheap, you got to go buy it. Let's say you go to the grocery store, man, and chicken. Well, we realize there is bird flu or whatever out there, and all of a sudden chicken goes down to 10 cents a pound, 5 cents a pound for chicken breast. And you're like, dude, I could load up for chicken breast the rest of my life, man. Buy a freezer, I'll never have to buy chicken again. But you still run the risk of getting bird flu. It's just so cheap, some people can't pass it up. The problem still exists. The problem hasn't been remedied, but it's just so cheap, like you can't pass it up, man. It's the same deal, you know, when we had the C word and lockdowns and stuff going on, and people, you had to quarantine for 2 weeks if you flew to Hawaii. Nobody wanted to quarantine, but a flight to Hawaii was like $20, man. And the hotel was nothing because, you know, you had to quarantine when you get there. People still did it because the price is cheap. Like the problems were still out there, but people were willing to participate because they thought it was a good deal. I think that's the same kind of action we're seeing in crypto and the stock markets right now. We don't have a solution in place to the problems that are causing the decline in price to begin with, but people are viewing it as cheap and buying on their emotion. Hey, we need a video for Polkadots. Oh, Moyad. I've never done a video on Polkadot. I could look into doing that. I thought Chase bought MetaMask or some other huge bank. Possible, Matthew. I do not know. If Coinbase goes under, you'll most likely lose all of your coins. Lomo knows. Yes, I agree with that. If Coinbase goes under, though, look, if Coinbase goes under, I don't even care if you're on Binance or in a cold storage wallet or what the deal is. If Coinbase goes under, you're probably going to watch Bitcoin go from 23,000 to about, I don't know, 3,000 very quickly if Coinbase goes under. It's going to be catastrophic. I'd say you could easily see a 90% decrease in price if 90% of if 90 million people lose their crypto. Gotta sneeze. Oh, I gotta do it, man. Come on. I can't. Darn. I need to sneeze bad, though. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if crypto lost 90% of its value if Coinbase goes under. 90 million people don't have access to their crypto. You're most likely going to see some very strong declines. Can you sell from a ledger, or do you have to transfer it back to an exchange to sell? So Lil Moon Doge, like any of these centralized exchanges, or decentralized exchanges that aren't on a centralized exchange, you're not going to be able to sell it for cash, right? You're not going to be able to cash out. That's why the centralized exchanges exist. And as part of that, they have to, like, you can mine to a wallet that nobody knows about. But if you want to cash it out for actual money, the government wants to know who is making money, where they're getting that money, and why it's being paid out to you. So you have to fill out your social security number, your license. They have to know their customer. So you have to use a centralized exchange if you want to sell your crypto. Unless, of course, you go on Craigslist and find some guy that wants to buy your ledger or wants you to transfer him the coins and he's going to pay you cash for it and stuff like that. So, yeah, man, that's the convenience and that's the point of a centralized exchange, is to allow you to exchange your crypto for fiat. And if you want to trade your Bitcoin for $23,000 right now, you're going to have to do that on a place like Coinbase, Crypto.com, Binance, one of these centralized exchanges. Hey, you're live, Bob BC. Heck yeah, man. Move it, talk, sell equals lose something. A good deal to sit on a lanai for a week. Oh, man. Ask the 8-ball, should I sell my Shib at $13.50 before Coinbase files bankruptcy? Yes or no? Talk to me, a key. Let's go. Should he sell his Shiba Inu coin at $13.50? As I see it, yes. As I see it, yes. Magic 8-Ball says, as I see it, yes. Talk to me, a key. Click answer, please. My question is, Bitvavo a good place to hold your crypto? Do you something know about Bitvavo? So, me, bro, I've never heard of Bitvavo before. But I will tell you this, man. A lot of these smaller centralized exchanges seem to be closing up shop with no warning, just like that. Zipmex or something this morning. The Zipmex decided to halt everybody's withdrawals and will not let you withdraw your money. So, if you come out here, crypto news, blah, blah, blah. I think it's Zipmex. Yeah. Yeah. That's what you got right here. So, Zipmex pauses withdrawals until further notice 10 hours ago. First mover Asia, Bitcoin stalls, contagion hits, Zipmex Vault will withdrawals are halted. Tie SECX Zipmex to clarify withdrawal freeze. The SEC, very nice. Zipmex is going to say, we don't care. We're just withdrawing, or with pausing withdrawals. Singapore Crypto Exchange Zipmex has halted withdrawals. So Bitvavo, whatever it is, probably just as dangerous as all of these other cryptocurrency exchanges that are out there right now, man. And here's the thing. It's so stupid to me that nobody seems to care. I get it. Zipmex is a small exchange out of Singapore. But my God, how naive can you be knowing that everybody is being ripped off and it's almost your turn? It's almost your turn, but we are still rising in price, ladies and gentlemen. We are still buying like we've never bought before. Hey, bro, I did get an email from Voyager to get my money back and a new coin. I don't want, though. And now, Voyager, ignore my email and ignore my call and email to I say no to the coin. I want all my money only. Darn Voyager. Yeah, Sam Demand. What do they want to do? Give you VGX token? Trezor Ledger, people, keep your stuff safe. I will tell you that Trezor is limited with a lot of coins. I'm going to try a Ledger to see if it to open different coins. Kenneth, very nice, man. Forget the government. Yeah, well, at this point in time, man, they're not doing anything for anybody. That's what I figured. Darn greedy government needs their share. Lil Moon Doge, they need more than their share. They need it all. They need it all, man. They need it all. You know, it's funny. The government can print money whenever they want to print money, but they don't have the financial freedom that some people have. And we talked about this yesterday in a lot of detail. I truly believe, man, that financial freedom is no longer being bound by the desire to care about how much money or how much money you want and need and so on. Government, if they see some money out there, it needs to be theirs. They don't care who they step on, who they destroy, trying to get it. They need their hand in it. And let's see, how many likes do we have? 31 likes. Oh, my. Well, I hate to do this to you guys, but you did it to yourself. 30 likes at 12:30. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Who got a like? Who got an ad? Can the 8-ball tell you when I will get rich? No, I think you have to ask the 8-ball yes or no questions. Technically, it won't tell you when you'll get rich. I can ask if you'll get rich this year. Bitcoin rolling, man. Going from 22.5 over the last half hour to 23.2 right now. Rolling higher. We talk about all of this bad news, and the market does not seem to care. My goodness, just rolling at the moment. AMC ripping up too. AMC sitting at 1781. Beautiful curve, man. Just nice steady gains throughout the morning here. Sitting at 1779 right now, up 1.50%. Shiba Inu coin back in the green. Bitcoin trying to get back in the green. GameStop sitting down 3% at the moment. Trending a little bit higher than where it was earlier, sitting at $153.78. But man, crypto performing very well. Oh my God. Look at the NASDAQ, guys. Now I'm glad that I got out of those, put that stop loss on these stupid puts. Look at this. Look at this. 306.67 today. Look at these massive gains that we have seen over the last week in the NASDAQ. My gosh. My gosh. I wonder what these calls are producing today. That's a 1% gain, right? 1.23%. I'd imagine these calls are up well over 100%. Let's see where we're at here. QQQ, my friends. Options, 44%. But that's from the open, or if that's from yesterday. Let's see. No, let's look at these. No. Why is this not graphing it? Okay, $1.65. Man, from 3 days ago, going from 8 cents to $1.65. This morning, tapping at 53 cents. My gosh. This morning, tapping 52 cents, rolling up to $1.80 right now. Nothing but gains today. Insane what these options are doing. Tripling in price from the low this morning, simply because the QQQ here had a decent morning to the downside, but just rolling higher throughout the afternoon right now with nothing to stop it. My gosh, we are going to $310 on the QQQ. We're going to hit that $310 mark. These candles right here. I know. We might even go all the way back up to $360. Could you guys imagine grabbing an option that expires maybe next month or something and hitting $40-$50 a share on it because you go all the way up to $360, $370 on the QQQ? Gosh, dude. One contract would be worth, what, $5,000? My goodness. One contract. Imagine if you get 10 contracts. You're sitting on $50,000. Get good, get good. Oh yeah, VGX coin. I don't want the darn coin. I want my money for the doctor bill. Yeah, dude. I I have a feeling they're gonna give everybody VGX coins, Sam. I'm not gonna just string it along. Hey, I was third to like. Chris, did you get an ad? That's what I want to know. Pathetic, y'all. Exactly next level. Who the heck only clicks the like button 30 times? Ridiculous. Coworker just got an Apple stock for free. Nice, Chris. Full share of Apple. Dang, man, that's what's up. That's a really good one there. You know, Clay, there's a video going around saying a couple got poisoned because they picked up a bill from the street and that it had fentanyl. Don't doubt this news was made by the IRS since they can't tax it. Oh, my. Mr. Simon, dude, that's insane, man. That's insane. I didn't even know that could happen, man. I didn't even know that could happen. Could you imagine picking up a $1 bill and it's laced with fentanyl or something and you get poisoned? Would that kill you or that would just make you sick? Tesla 789. Moji, Tesla falling back down. Is this true? Tesla, where we at here, Tesla? Tesla falling back down. Dude, Tesla's sitting at 813 right now. What are you trying to tell me it's down? Tesla's sitting at 813. You just told me it was 779? 789? Tesla's sitting at 812 right now. This is up 10%. I think you're looking at yesterday's price, man. No. Citi got 30 and then $7 for Apple. Nice. Hey, good deal, man. That's still a solid move, dude. Dan, thank you very much for the super chat. If Bitcoin goes to zero, do you think the crypto market will get permanently destroyed, or will Bitcoin's shadow be replaced by multiple Bitcoins? Not FUD. Dan, let's say, okay, so in your hypothetical, if Bitcoin actually goes to zero, I will say this, okay? I don't think Bitcoin is necessarily going to go to zero. I do think that the people, even if like centralized exchanges close down, and right at this point in time, you can't trade your crypto for money anymore. Your crypto is simply crypto, the same way it was back in 2010 when Bitcoin essentially was at zero. I still think there's people that are going to believe in it. I still think there's people that'll buy it. If Bitcoin goes to zero, though, I highly doubt that we see a major push in crypto like other than Bitcoin. So, do I think it'll be replaced by Shiba and Ethereum and so on? Unless it was specifically a problem, a bug, a hack, a rug pull, a decade-long rug pull, specifically for Bitcoin, I would be very, very hesitant to say that any crypto will thrive and take the top spot. Now, I don't think it's going to happen, but in the hypothetical, I think if Bitcoin goes to zero, man, it's going to be very difficult to see crypto thrive. But I do think it's a possibility, like no FUD at all, man. I think it's a possibility to see Bitcoin go to zero if centralized exchanges go bankrupt or get outlawed or whatever. I think we could go back to a period of time where centralized exchanges are not allowed to operate or they close up shop and steal everybody's money. I think that's a possibility, to go back in time to like 2010, when if you wanted a Bitcoin, you either had to mine it or buy it off of somebody, and you couldn't go out to a centralized exchange and trade it for $20,000. So I don't think that that's impossible to see, man. Oh my gosh, here we go. Yeah. Refresh. You gotta refresh, Moji. You guys, 30 likes is pathetic, man. Sam saying, take it slow, then ask, give Insta to the 1000th girl in the chat. Heck yeah. If Bitcoin goes to zero, I'm going straight to Sam's house, getting married, and having intimate relations. Dippy Dog, man. Glad to see you in the chat, man. What's going on, Dippy Dog? Oh, gosh. 1000th girl. There's some rookie numbers, man. Those are rookie numbers. Bring them up. Diffie, careful what you wish for. Yes, please. Please be careful what you wish for there. But nonetheless, guys, look at this gain on the NASDAQ today. My gosh. NASDAQ sitting at 12,026 at the moment. Rolling higher and breaking resistance levels. This is crazy, the gains that we're seeing here. And a really strong market in a really dark time. QQQ, looking at 306.60. My gosh, man. My gosh. You guys have no idea how glad. 5 minute, it was this stupid candle right here. It was this green candle right here that tapped me this morning. But, man, am I glad I got tapped, because look at this. Look at this, dude. Probably would have been a 90% loss on those puts if I didn't. So, solid on that one. Took advantage of a little downturn here. Could have done a little better, yes. But, man, ridiculous gains throughout the morning here on the NASDAQ. And I imagine the SPY is performing similarly. Yes, it is. Nothing but gains this afternoon over here on the SPY. Rolling higher, beautiful bottom left to upper right curve there, and just like sheer strength in the market, man. Sheer strength in the market. Let's watch Bitcoin for a while though. Down there in the bottom left, Dark Matter. Thank you very much. Dark Matter says, you know what time it is, man. It's time to a little lick and stick action. Dark Matter, you peel that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit. Dark Matter, I'm thinking about you, but I'm looking at Trapper. You tilt the head back, you do a little lick and a stick. Dark Matter, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. I don't know why you guys like the banana so much, but you do. Dark, really appreciate you, man, and everybody else is thanking you as well. For the rule, good things come to those who wait. Yes, they do. Bitcoin reached 24,000 again. Futarao, man, I hope that it... Well, listen, I do think that Bitcoin's going to go to 24,000 again, yes. Does it go to 4,000 before it hits 24,000? I mean, that's possible as well. I don't know where it's going to hit first. But one day, I do believe it's going to be back over 24,000. Pump and dump. Sorry, just realistic. Dude, don't even be sorry about it. Like, I honestly think that it will dump off at some point. Let's see. Buy the dip when a Viagra runs out. Yeah, you gotta buy the dip when Viagra runs out. That's for sure, man. Okay, not ready to have marriage, though. Just a girlfriend. And a leave if Diffie Girl is not the right. Thank you. Yeah, there you go, man. Leave if Diffie Girl is not the right one. Waiting for Bitcoin to hit over 29,000. Bought 5 coins. And the price drops. Holding out for that bull market to get my profit or break even. Crap happens. Kenneth, it does, man. It does. Crap always seems to happen, man. But look, we got a choice to make, man. Do we think that Bitcoin's going to go to 0? No, probably not. Do I think it could go down before it goes up again? Yes, I do think that that's a possibility. But I'm confident, okay? I'm confident that one day Bitcoin will be well above 29,000. Salmon Diffie, sitting in a tree. Kiss. Whoa! NG. I hereby dedicate myself to the lick and stick. Dark Matter. It's probably the best thing you could do today. It's probably the best thing you could do. Guys, if we don't get over 75 likes by 12:50, you are getting hit with another ad. I really don't understand. Like, listen. Like, you guys really like to make me beg for these likes. I get it. And I don't know why, but I get that you like to make me beg. It is literally telling YouTube that you like the video. And if you like the video, they'll think other people will like the video. And if they think other people like the video, they will recommend the video to other people. And if they recommend it to them, well, then we got more members in here, man. We got more people buying the cryptocurrencies and stocks and all of those things and having fun and spreading positivity. So click the like button, man. That's all you got to do. Let's see. Sam, would you take Shiba Inu coin instead of a wedding ring? The answer is probably yes. Yes, Shiba, no ring. Thank you. Oh, there you go, Sam the man. Stop, pudgy, something. Clipbro, can you give some ideas when go on vacation? Because if I keep looking at crypto screen, I might go crazy when you back. What do you mean, man? Like, I think it's the second week of August, but, what do you mean? Can I give some ideas while I'm down there? I'm still going to post videos while I'm down there. I probably won't go live while I'm down there, but I'm still going to post videos. Matic for the win today. Hopefully the rug always gets pulled. Somehow just go above $1 today. What is Matic at, man? Is it back up there? Matic. I don't see. Oh, there it is. 91 cents. Yeah, Matic actually is rolling again today. Nice green line. But look, you do have some resistance in this dollar area. You got some resistance to break through. Not only you get a little 1 week level of resistance right here, but a dollar's always significant too because it's just a nice $1 nice round number, man. People are going to put their... Same thing's going to happen. If Shiba Inu coin reaches $1 one day, don't expect it just to blow right through it. It's a significant level, and people are going to put their take profits at 99 cents, 98 cents, 95 cents, 91 cents. There's going to be people who try and undercut the dollar just so that they know that they can get out. But, yeah, dollars are always going to be significant levels of resistance. Those nice round numbers that everybody wants to make sure, like, oh, I'm going to put my take profit right there at $1. That is awesome. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, Clay, you beg for likes because you can't just have fun at work. Got to put in a little work besides doing most of the DD for all of us who miss a lot. Chris, man, I gotta beg for something, dude. You guys can't just let me sit up here and have a good time all day, right? I gotta beg for positive feedback. And if I gotta beg, I gotta beg, man. Nothing wrong with begging every once in a while. Wish you guys would step up and do it yourselves, but hey, I gotta beg, and that's cool. Next thing I'm gonna be begging for is 100,000 subscribers, man. Like, come on, think about it. If all of you guys just told one person, and that person told 2 people, and that person told 3 people, and we would be at 100,000 tomorrow. We really would. We'd be at 100,000 tomorrow if you guys... I've already told... Listen, everybody I know already knows, man. Everybody I know already knows. I can't even create any more fake accounts to get me to 100,000. Like, I'm at my limit, man. There's 80 real viewers in here, and the other 92,120 are fake accounts that I've created. So, man, I've done my part. It's time for you guys to do your part. What did I miss? Was making lunch. Yes, Julia Gulia, Diffie Dog, and Sam sitting in a tree. Clero, where are you vacationing? Down in Florida. Next level. Diffie Dog, were you about to get promoted, the main chick, from a side chick status? And now you cheat. Oh, man, it happens every time, man. Every time. I did like, okay, Sam the man, good deal, man. Julia, missed your chance. Darn, what will you do? Nobody knows. I'll take whatever scraps I can get, homie. Oh, gosh, you guys are absolutely ridiculous. Speaking of scraps, the stock market is still scrapping along right here. AMC is actually in the green at the moment, sitting at 1767. Not bad action. Wow. Was this a real decline this morning? Was this another one of those MOAS candles? Going from 18 bucks. That's got to be a MOAS candle. Actually, that's pretty strong volume. 13,000 shares. Nonetheless, though, AMC was doing better at $18.37 this morning. Currently sitting at 1762 to 1760 this afternoon. Trying to come back down a little bit, so we'll have to see what happens here on AMC. Crypto Rocketeer must be watching right now. Bitcoin sitting at 23,000. Shiba Inu coin, 1,200 points per coin exactly. GameStop sitting at 152.57. And the QQQ still soaring higher this morning with a couple red lines. 306.27 as the overall industries are showing a lot of strength today. My goodness, they are showing some strength. Let's see, got a little junk in the trunk, Sam. Hope you don't mind. Never. Make sure to visit Cocoa Beach while you're here. And come eat at my bar and grill on the beach. Next level. That would actually be incredible. Cocoa Beach is on the Atlantic side, though, right? I'm going to be on the Gulf side. Oh, my gosh. Shape, full figures, need 11-2. But, dude, it's not that wide of a state. I don't even think it's as wide as Ohio. You could probably get across Florida in, what, an hour? Probably get across Florida in like an hour. Eat your bar and grill. That would be amazing. Sam, another shallow comment. Kicked. Bros don't talk like that. Apes on Reddit do. Yes. I like it. Chris, talking up the bros and talking down the apes on Reddit at the same time, man. Perfect. Chris, it is true, though, dude. The guys on Reddit are crazy. Can't take it. I have to leave from laughing too hard. No, outdoor smile. Just stay, man. Couple more minutes. That's all I gotta do is stay. Hey, bro, is there a chart that I can see when Shib went 100? And can it happen again? Give us hope. Yeah, PS5. I'll pull up that long-term chart here. Let's see here. Cowboy trades. Terrible prediction. I have no idea what the Cowboys are doing, dude. Let's see here. Yeah, so PS5. We'll look at that long-term chart on Shiba Inu coin right here, okay? Can it happen again? Look, dude, can I give you some hope and not really dash your dreams? No. I don't think we're going to see 120,000% price increase. I'm being honest, okay? The only way, well, let me say this. I don't think we're going to see 120,000% market cap increase in Shiba Inu coin. Where are we at right now? 120,000% is what? 100x is doubling. 120,000, you're talking 1,500x, right? Or 1,200x. If we're 1,200xing the current market cap, $8 billion. No, you're looking at $9.6 trillion. I highly doubt we see a $9.6 trillion market cap on Shiba Inu coin, at least, in the next decade or whatever. Now, if burns get involved, yeah, I do think that the price can go up that high. But yeah, let's look at that. Let's try to look at this here and see what we got going on. No, you want Shiba. Come on. All right, so if you go to an all-time chart of Shiba Inu coin, you can see that it was launched way back here in August of 2020 and did nothing for the longest time, okay? And if you look at this, and you can see, like, this area in here is down. Very, very difficult to see any of the price action that took place in these time frames because literally it was worth nothing, okay? Volume was $0. $6 were traded on this 24-hour period. $36, $7 were being traded. Look at this one. 1 cent, man. Somebody traded 1 cent worth of Shiba Inu coin. $9. Like, it was worth nothing back here. And it's moving, like, not at all. So let's watch it go from here to here. I can't really count all of these zeros, dude, but you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros, right? 9 zeros, and then at the beginning of 2021, January of 2021, it went from 9 zeros to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. That's a 100x increase, going from, and actually it went 9 zeros and a 1 to 7 zeros and a 3. So that's roughly a 300x increase. Just right there, man. Every dollar you bought, you had $300 in January. Now, keep scrolling out, dude, and you can see how low that actually is. You can see how low that actually is. So then April, May of 2021, when it really started running, and I'm sure a lot of people sold here, dude. I'm sure a lot of people sold here. But then it goes up to 3,500 points per coin. And you're going from 9 zeros to 4 zeros, man. So if you go from 9 zeros to 4 zeros, you lose 5 zeros. What's got 5 zeros? 100,000x? 100,000x, right? Because you're 6 digits with 5 zeros. Every dollar you bought back in this stupid area right here, when the price was doing nothing, every dollar you bought turned into $100,000. And can we see that type of action again? Probably not, unless we lose a lot more value. But even this here looks small compared to the spike up we saw back in October, November. But it's a completely different time. We've got billions of dollars a day traded in Shiba Inu coin now. And back here, $500, 0, 0, 0, 0, 40, 600, 35, 190, 61. Like, the price wasn't doing anything, man, for the longest time. So that's a little, like, view of what you got there. Can it happen again? I don't know if it's going to happen from these levels, but we can see some massive gains. Thanks for the entertainment. Sam, absolutely. Wana! Thank you very much for the super sticker, Wana. Wana says, Woot! Woot! Oh my god. Woot! Woot! Thank you very much. Juana, thank you very much for the super sticker. Like, I swear, I should be embarrassed to do that, especially in front of Juana, but I'm not embarrassed to do that in front of Juana. Thank you, Juana, very much for the super sticker. 103 viewers in here right now. Watch, I can guarantee it goes down to about 63 viewers very quickly here. Juana, thank you very much for the super sticker. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Oh, God. Juana, like, don't show this to your parents, please. Just allow this to be between us. My gosh. It's Juana. Yes, Juana is in here. Wayne rocks. Love that show. Wayne, somebody got Wayne. Oh, Wayne Brady. Gotcha. I didn't know what you were talking about there for a second. Oh, man. I need to take a drink of water after that. Calm down a little bit. Yes. Good. And look, Juana comes in here, she sends that super sticker, and then she doesn't even say anything. I know her mom's watching right now. This is the most dangerous game I've ever played in my entire life. Juana's mom, I'm sorry. I'm not normally like this, but she did send a super sticker, so it is her fault. Have you ever seen Interstellar Sailor on YouTube? Pretty funny. Space Ape, I have not seen that. Has anybody else seen it? Clay, you're funny. John James, Juana made me do it, man. Juana made me do it. Juana, I gotta ask, is that really your older sister in here? No, Moji, it's not Juana's older sister. She's already said that. I'm willing to donate my gene pool to anything associated with Juana. I'm associated with Juana. So, watch what you say, Diffy Dog. You want to donate nothing to me. A little recap, guys. Got a couple minutes left in the live stream right now, but a little recap. What's going on? AMC still performing very well on the day. $17.64. Got a couple green lines here, trying to get back up into the $18 range. Shiba Inu coin trending sideways after having a nice little run this morning, 0.42% higher. GameStop sitting down roughly 4% right now, $152.91. Bitcoin trending sideways, down 0.79% of the day, 23,000, basically flat, going to 23,062. NASDAQ having a very strong day today, sitting sideways over the last half hour or so, 12,000 points. BR Therapeutics up 3.5% of the day. AMC up 0.66%. Ethereum and Shiba are up, while Bitcoin is slightly down. Sundial losing 4.5% on the day. Mullen Auto still barcoding at $1.08, $1.09. CEI sitting at 41.7 cents. The SPY $397.20 today. Beautiful gains on the SPY. BBIG barcoding in the $1.13 to $1.14. Highcroft Mining barcoding in that $1.04 to $1.05 range, or $1.05 to $1.06 range. Sorry. Netflix up 1% on the day, sitting at $219.15. I saw some stuff on Twitter. The best way to make your stock price go up, lose 1 million subscribers. So Netflix continuing to perform poorly, but the stock price is going up. Redbox sitting at $3.55 right now, down 7%. Redbox actually coming back down to these levels that wouldn't be too bad to buy in, man. Sitting here at $3, coming back down to these support levels at the $2 range. So not a bad move there for Redbox, but are the gains over? That's the question. Has Redbox ran its course? Clovis sitting at $1.95 right now, breaking back down out of that ascending trend line that it had, coming back down to $1.95 after touching $3.25. Box sitting at $2.15. Really would like to see this bad boy curl back up. Revlon sitting at $5.71. Luna Classic 10,000 points per coin. QQQ sitting at $306.42 at the moment. QQQ continuing to show an amazing trend line higher over the last week or two. So very strong action in the overall market. Let's watch and see what Bitcoin does for the next 2 minutes until we end the stream. Everyone come back for the stream later. Clay is going to pick out on the spiciest gummy bear in the world. Oh, God, if I do it in the stream, I will make sure that you're here. I got to go get that. So, Simon, thank you very much for potentially ruining the rest of my day. I do have price prediction for Ethereum and Shiba. Up in the long term, down in the short term is my price predictions for all crypto right now. Diffy Dog, thank you very much for the member chat. In 2 months I'm 2 months from giving birth to another Clay, bro. No, dude, I don't know if you understand like reproductive systems, but you're there, man. 9 months, man. You're there. Diffy Dog, man, thank you very much for the member chat and being a member. Well, I have to do a few lives on vacay. Peeps are going to have withdrawals, and I don't mean, they're definitely not going to be withdrawing any crypto because that's going to be frozen. So we'll have to see how that goes. Maybe there'll be a rainy day or something down there. Then I could do a live stream. Devil's Advocate. Boom, baby. 1 year old today. I love it, Devil's Advocate. Just stopping by to click that like button. Devil's Advocate, you are the man, dude. And send the member chat. Thank you very much. Devil's Advocate for always being a bro. My devil's advocate, I've been a bro for 1 year. Congratulations. I love how Julia says my devil's advocate. Perfect. Devil's advocate, diamond status, baby. Oh, yes. Rolling in on that diamond now. Is Elon trying to put Bitcoin back to 10,000? I don't know, man. I don't think he's got intentions to do so, but would be interesting if he did. Hit you later after lunch. Guys, yes, we are about to take off here. I do want to say thank you to everybody. EFVM finally had a good day. I needed this. Good, Space Ape. I haven't seen EFVM. Can you check out my super chat? Dark Matter. Yeah, dude. I didn't know you sent one. Dark Matter, man. Very sorry. Guys, I will never miss one. I must have been ranting about something. Question, Clay, bro. Possible date on Discord. Yes. Dark Matter. Possible date on Discord is today. I honestly want to get one set up, and then we can get some people in it and then figure out kind of what you guys want, right? That might be the best way to go about it. I can set up a shell or whatever and get some input on some stuff that you guys want it to look like. How does that sound? So maybe I got to go to the post office, right? I got to go to the post office, and I'm going to grab that gummy bear so Simonino can ruin my life. God, yeah, I'm going to make sure I need to go to the bathroom before this next live stream because, dude, if you're going to make me eat this gummy bear, it's going to tear my stomach up or something. I got to make sure we're good to go. Or I can just eat it towards the end of the live stream, too. I don't have to do it right at the beginning. Yeah, so that's going to be good. But as far as Discord goes, maybe I do just make a shell, man, and then you guys we can figure out what we want it to look like once we get there. That might be a better way to go about it. Clay doesn't know how. He needs help from this chat. I really do, man. I really do. I'm Salt Shaker near you in the next live stream, Claydino. I'm going to need more than a Salt Shaker, man. Guys, it is after 1 o'clock. We're going to get off here for now. We will be back in the afternoon stream, so make sure to come back for that. We'll do some shout-outs right now, and then we will be back later. I do want to say a special thanks to Juana for the super sticker. Juana is never really active in the chat. I know she's listening, and I really appreciate you, Juana. Thank you very much, my Juana. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon today. But guys, we'll do these shout-outs. We'll be back a little bit later. PS5, man. Catch you later. Dark Matter. See you later. Moji, Frodo. Bye, everybody. Stacks Ape Nation, AMC Travis, saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Living on Mr. Simon. See you later. Remy, Julia Gulia, Dark Matter, Moji, Pudgy, Julia Gulia, living on Mr. Simon, Keith Kemp, Wayne, Sorbelly, man. Enjoy your afternoon. Pudgy, we know who really needs help. Me. I need help, man. Colgus, peace out to you, Dark Matter, Space 8, Mr. Simon. I want to click and eat a spicy gummy. I can already feel it, man. It's already burning my tongue, and I've never even attempted this thing before. Moji, John James, all of you guys, enjoy your afternoon. We'll be back later. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, Kenneth, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.